Howdy cowboys and cowgirls, it's me, Cowboy Jack. You're not gonna believe where we are today. I'm super excited. Do you guys like to slide? I love sliding, and we've come to an indoor play park that's nothing but incredible slides. Check that out. That's right, we're here at the brand new Slick City in Katy, Texas, right at the Katy Mills Mall, and we get to check out a whole bunch of slides. You guys wanna check it out with me? Come on, let's go. Now this place is absolutely enormous. Take a look at some of the stuff they have. They have a whole indoor play place for the smaller kids. They even have an indoor go-kart track over there, a basketball court, and of course, if you check out over this way, we've got nothing but ginormous slides. So I am so excited to come in here and check out these slides. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun, but we have to do some things for safety's sake, right? Now, I would love to wear my cowboy boots on these slides, but we can't do that. We need to wear these special socks. So I'm gonna have to sit down and take off these boots. Whoa, check that out. I've already got my Slick City socks on. Now these socks are really important. They have these rubber grips on them because to get to the top of these slides, you have to climb a bunch of stairs and you wouldn't want to be real slippery. You wouldn't want to fall, so safety first. Now, the other thing about Slick City is you don't just slide down on your belly. You got to use one of these special Slick City mats. These things have the special sauce, a special coating to make the slides extra slippery, but also extra safe for us. It's gonna be so cool. All right, so this first slide is like the lazy river. Check it out. It's a blue windy slide going all the way down right here. And we're gonna take our Slick City mat and we're gonna go climb these stairs and check it out together. This is gonna be so cool. I love slides, I love surprises, and this one looks like it's full of twists and turns. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. We have to go all the way up there to the top of the slide. But it's really cool. They have all these super fun lights on these stairs. All right. All these different colors are fun. Do you guys see what colors they have on them? This first one, yep, that one's white. And check out this one. That's blue. Let's keep on going. Now, the blue one we're going to is called the Python. So let's go this way. All right, I think I'm gonna be the first cowboy to ever go down this slide. So what you do is you put out your Slick City mat like this, and it has those handles on it so you can put your hands and grip them just like this. And then you use your arms to support you, just like this. And then you kick off with your feet and slide on down. I'll see you guys down at the bottom. You ready? All right, yeehaw! Whoa! Wow! All right, guys, here we go. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! All right. Oh, now that was a really cool slide. Wow, that was an adventure all within itself. I'm kind of out of breath. Did you see all those slips and slides and twists and turns? That was really cool. All right, guys, now that slide is really fun and you probably had a good time watching me go on it, but wouldn't you want to check it out yourself too? I'm gonna let you guys go down first this time. Here we go. All right, you made it all the way to the bottom. That was so cool. All right, now this next slide is a little bit challenging, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me from the bottom here. I've got my Slick City mat for safety, and we're gonna go up to the top. It's gonna throw me down 2 big bumps, and I'm gonna come slipping right at you. All right, are you guys ready? This is gonna be fun. Now don't forget to brace yourself. Here we go. Yeehaw! Whoa! Whoa! I even lost my hat on that one. That was crazy. Hey, wait a second. Are you guys laughing at my hair? All right, let me get my hat. Whew. Now that one was a real adventure. What a roller coaster. There is just twists and turns and surprises everywhere. This is actually a sitting pyramid, but I had to come to the top and check it out. Kind of needed to take a little break from that last slide. That was crazy. But let's check out one more. Come on, guys, don't be pokey. Let's get to it. Whoo-wee. Now this slide's gonna be a whole lot of fun. Look, I'm going all the way to the top of that tube and it's gonna spit me out. We're gonna whoosh up back and forth a couple of times. It's gonna be super fun. And you can get real close if you come right here and watch me from all the way up there. All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! That was crazy. Woo! Can you guys believe how high that shot me? That was so much fun. Whoa! Wow! This thing is crazy. That was so much fun. Whew. I tell you what, cowboys and cowgirls, it's easy to get worn out while you're doing these huge slides. It's nice to actually stop and take a deep breath every once in a while. You guys want to do that with me? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I feel so much better. Come on, let's keep playing. Now this next slide is a lot of fun. They call it the pink monster or something like that. But we're gonna go up and down all over the place. All right, cowboys and cowgirls, here I come down the pink dragon. You guys ready? Count off for me. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw! Whoa! Woo! Can you believe that? I actually caught my cowboy hat on my legs behind me. This thing moved so fast it blew it right off of my head. That is so cool. All right, here we go. Yeehaw! Whoa! Wow! Woo-wee! These things don't play around. This was a serious slide. Whew, I need to cool down after that one. That was crazy. Boy, I went on all those slides, but they have something really cool here. Do you guys like basketball? I do. It's one of my favorite sports. Me and Cowboy Katy play all the time. But here at Slick City, they actually have an air court. This is a basketball court with a springy bounce to it. It's not quite as bouncy as like a trampoline, but it's really fun. And they have all these basketballs. Whew, haven't done that in a while. But I'm just gonna shoot a few hoops to kind of cool down a little bit. Look at that. I think that was a Cowboy Jack 3-pointer, wasn't it? All right. Whew, I'm on fire, guys. Now, you think I can make a half-court shot over here? I'm gonna shoot at this basket right here from half court. All right, here we go. No pressure, no pressure. Nope, not today. But just because you miss doesn't mean you stop or give up. Nobody makes it their first time. That's why we practice, to get better. Take one more shot at it. Whew. For the championship. Okay, it wouldn't hurt if we did it just one more time, would it? And then I promise we'll go back to the slides. Here we go. All or nothing right here. Half court shot, Cowboy Jack. Look at that, woo! We finally nailed it. That was so much fun. Well, let's go find some more slippery things to slide on. Now, this is one of the more serious slides here at the park. We actually land on an inflatable mat. I'm gonna do it and you guys are gonna get to watch me fall down real big. Gotta be extra careful. Whew. Here we go. Yeehaw! Whoa, whoa! Woo! Now that was a serious bump at the end. You know, it's not the fall, it's the quick stop at the end that gets you every time. Wow. Whoa! Whoa! Now that was a serious fall at the end. Woo-wee! All right, guys, you're about to watch me go down the Royal Flush. This is called the Royal Flush. And you'll see why. We kind of go down and then we whirl around and I'll fall down through a hole. Here we go. Woo! Wow! Yep. Did you guys see that? That was crazy. Wow, cowboys and cowgirls, what an incredible time here today at Slick City in Katy, Texas. We've had so much fun on all these huge slides, and you guys even got to go down them with me. I even had my hat blow off a couple of times. It's been a crazy adventure. So if you had fun with us, make sure you keep following along and come with us on all of our adventures because we go on a ton of them. But until I see you next time, yeah!